Our next model is Kelly Lamb. Kelly's the daughter of Wendy and Lori. She likes basketball, jumping rope, and playing. She loves going to the mall. That's my kind of girl. And her favorite food is pizza. She's wearing a dress made by Ketchumai, and it's a size M. It is sleeveless with a brown neckline, and it's a solid brown trim around the neckline. It has circles and vertical sections of brown, pink, white designs. It is an empire style, and it's crunched around the waistline. The bottom section has pink flowers and brown leaves. It is made of 100% polyester. Around the waistline is made of spandex. And Kelly says that she's going to the beach. Have fun, Kelly.